Hey beauties! In this video, I'm sharing a gentle and effective DIY coffee face mask that's perfect for brightening dull skin, reducing puffiness, and giving your face a natural glow. All you need are just a few simple ingredients you probably already have at home. 1 tablespoon of ground coffee, 1 tablespoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of yogurt or milk, optional, for added moisture and gentle exfoliation. Start by adding the coffee grounds to a small, clean bowl. Then mix in the honey. This will help bind the mixture and hydrate your skin at the same time. If your skin feels dry or sensitive, go ahead and add the yogurt or milk. It helps to calm the skin and adds a creamy texture to the mask. Mix everything until you get a smooth, paste-like consistency. Let it sit for a minute while you gently cleanse your face. Applying the mask to clean skin will help it absorb better. Now, apply the mask evenly to your face. The coffee grounds will gently exfoliate your skin while the honey locks in moisture. Leave the mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, it will slightly tighten and wake up your skin. When the time's up, wet your fingers and gently massage your face in circular motions. This helps remove dead skin cells and boosts blood flow. Rinse it off with lukewarm water and pat your face dry. You'll instantly feel your skin looking fresh, soft, and more awake. I like to use this mask once or twice a week, especially in the mornings when my skin feels tired or dull. Coffee isn't just for your mornings, it's also a skin savior. Try it out and let me know how your skin feels afterward. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.